Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study the cryptocurrency market. First, begin by understanding market capitalization and daily trading volume for various assets. Next, research the underlying technology and the development team behind each project. Always analyze historical price data to identify trends and potential support or resistance levels. Finally, learn to use technical indicators for deeper insights. For fundamental analysis, evaluate a project's utility and its real-world use cases. Look into the tokenomics, which includes the total supply and how tokens are distributed. Strong community engagement and consistent developer activity are positive signs. Also, keep an eye on regulatory developments, as they can significantly impact an asset's future value and adoption. This holistic view is crucial. Technical analysis involves using various charting tools. Candlestick charts help visualize price movements over specific periods, like 1 hour or 1 day. Moving averages can identify trend directions, such as a 50-day or 200-day average. Bollinger Bands measure market volatility, showing if prices are relatively high or low. The MACD indicator provides signals about momentum and potential trend reversals. Effective risk management is paramount in crypto. Diversify your portfolio across various assets to spread risk, perhaps holding 5 to 10 different cryptocurrencies. Always set clear entry and exit points for your trades to manage potential losses and secure profits. Remember to invest only what you can comfortably afford to lose. Staying informed about market news and global events is also critical for making timely decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.